and welcome to Let's Cook It. Yes, we can go to the store and buy balsamic vinaigrette dressing, use it on a salad, but today we're gonna make a special one. We're going to make a special balsamic vinaigrette dressing, and we're going to cook it, chill it, and chill it in the fridge and serve it on the salad. But it's not just for the salad. The recipe I'm making today, it can be for pasta salad, can be for tomato and bocconcini salad, and can be marinated for a steak, or can be marinated for a chicken. You can use it for so many things. It's an amazing recipe. So let's start here first. I'm gonna do the garlic. So what I'm doing here, I'm just smushing the garlic, the whole garlic, just a little bit, because we're going to fry them. Voila. Now we don't want to preheat the oil because we're going to add tomato. We're gonna fry the tomato with the garlic as well. So you don't want the oil to splash everywhere. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna add the oil and then the garlic, then the tomato, and then turn on the stove. Voila. Now I'm gonna put the garlic in and the tomatoes. And now I'm gonna turn it on. So when it starts sizzling, then I'll reduce the heat. That way we prevent the oil from splashing everywhere. Yeah, you can hear the sound, it started. Now let's reduce the heat down to medium. And I'm gonna add some dry thyme. Salt and pepper. Nice, look at this. Now the garlic and the tomato, they're fully cooked. Now we're gonna add the balsamic. So we'll add the balsamic vinegar. So let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Nice, as you can see here, start getting a little bit thick. So now it's ready to go. Just turn off. Now if it's still a little bit thin, you don't have to worry about it, because after you blend it and you put it in the fridge, it's gonna thicken up a little bit. So now let me bring you can use any blender you have at home. Beautiful. Now let's strain it a little bit. Perfect. That's what we need. Now it's ready to go in the fridge for about half an hour to cool down. And you can make a bigger batch, and it's good to go for 1 month, and you use it for any purpose you want. Nice and chilled now. Now let me show you quick. Just gonna take a little bit, put it in the middle of the plate. Voila, look at this. Beautiful. Not too thick, not too runny. You see that? Lovely. Now what I'm gonna do, it happened that I have the tomato and the bocconcini with me here, so I'm gonna just make a small bite and give it a try. And my fresh basil right here. Another piece of tomatoes on top. And let me put a little bit on top here. Lovely. And what's missing here now? Little black pepper. And let's give it a try. Wow, what an amazing flavor. What an amazing flavor. I use it in the tomato bocconcini salad here. And it's a multi-purpose balsamic vinaigrette dressing and I can't wait to use it on the pasta salad. But it's your choice to use it on whatever you like. Marinade, pasta salad, it's all yours to enjoy. You have to make it to know what I'm talking about. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.